with another squishy video. So if you have not already, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below and turn on my post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. So let's do this. Major Trading Inc. for sending me this awesome box full of squishy stress gear, and I'm going to go ahead and admit that I have already peeked in it. I'm really excited to share this with you, so let's open it. Voila! So the first one that I'm going to show you here, I'll show you this one first, because this one's the first one that I looked at. So this is a cute little horse, and I love her so much. She's so pretty, and I love the purple and pink on her. She's really squishy and really so rising. So on with another mini, I have a Triceratops. And this one, I know my brother, he's already said that he wants this one. There's another one in here that he really wants as well. So, I don't know, we're probably going to fight over it because I really like this one and he's going to want it. So next we have a macaroon, and it has a cute little gray kitten on one side and then a cute orange one on the other, and I love this one because I really like cats. So I have another macaroon, but this one has a corgi on it. And there's this corgi, and then on the other side there's another corgi sticking its tongue out. This one is actually really soft and so rising. This one is, I don't know, they're both really good. I was gonna say maybe that this one was a little slower, but I don't know, they're both really good. Next is another dog, and this one is so cute. It's a pug. When I saw this one, I was like, oh my gosh, that is so adorable. And this one is really squishy. I love this one so much. Next we have a sloth, and this one is so adorable. Now, all the ones that are in plastic, which the rest of them are, I have not squished it because you know they're in that plastic and you can't really squish it. So this is my first time squishing it, and I'm so ready, so let's do this. Oh my gosh. This one is so good. Can you guys see that? A elephant, and as soon as I saw this one reminded me of the circus, and I love elephants. They are my favorite when we go to the circus. I'm like, oh my gosh, an elephant. So I love this one so much. Oh, that one's really good as well. Oh my gosh, that one's so rising. Next I have this cute little unicorn unicorn cupcake, and I've actually gotten the other one of these, but this one is a different color, and they're both so pretty. Like, look at this one. Look at the colors. I love the colors of this one. And this one is so soft, like my other one. I love both of these. These are probably, well, one of my favorites so far. This is the other one that I was talking about that my brother really wants. He saw this one and was like, I want that one too. So he's probably going to end up getting it, sadly, because I love this one so much. You know, I don't mind sharing my squishy with him. But this one's so cool. I don't really have a dinosaur. This is my first one. Well, these two are my first ones. But this one's really cool because I love the blue color. It's really pretty. Okay, so this next one, me and my mom are in love with. My mom saw and she's like, oh my gosh, because she was in the box technically first. But I'm so excited about this. Ready? Oh my gosh, like I love the colors of it. It's like a bunch of pretty, it's like green, blue, orange, and yellow, and purple. And oh my gosh, it's a little whale. So excited about this one. It is really soft and it's so slow rising. But look at that. Like, look how slow rising that is. So maybe it's a narwhal because it has a horn. I don't know. Either way, it's really cute. So the next three that I have are humongous. Like, look at these things. They are so big. And this is a cupcake. And on the top they have strawberries. And this one it's not as good as the other mini ones. It's a little harder. But it's still really cute and I like all the colors. It's really pretty. Another donut. If you saw my other video with this box, you would know that I got a donut just like this, except this one is different colors. And I love this one so much because it has really pretty colors on it. Love all the sprinkles. Whoa, that one's really good. That's so slow rising, really soft. So the last one, and my biggest one, is a unicorn. And I'm so glad that I got this one because it is another one to add to my unicorn collection. Because, I don't know if you guys know this, but I have a ton of unicorns and I love them so much. Okay, so those are all the squishies. So again, I want to thank Major Trading Inc. for sending me all of these amazing squishies. So now it's time for some Instagram. First shout out goes to Queen_Bree_1031. Thank you so much for following me on my Instagram and subscribing to my YouTube. Next shout out goes to Bry_squad_fan. Thank you so much for making me a fan page, and thank you so much for all of the really cool edits. And the last shout out goes to It's_April1. Thank you so much for being really active. Now time for some YouTube shouts. The first shout out goes to EmmaGamer2008. Thank you so much for commenting on my YouTube video. The next shout out goes to Daniela Mays, and they asked, can I do a school routine? So when school starts back, that sounds like a really fun idea, so be looking out for that video. And the last shout out goes to I'm Caroline. Thank you so much for saying that you love my YouTube channel. It really means a lot. So if you want a shout out, make sure you're active in my comments, you're subscribed to my YouTube, and you're following me on Instagram, and make sure you're active in my Instagram comments as well. Question of the day is, which one of the squishies that I opened was your favorite? Mine, so hard. Probably between these two. These two are really cool because I love the colors and they're really cute. So between these two. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!